is in upcycling, like she's doing upcycling, and she's from Karnataka. And one funny thing is she is not doing riding a riding cycle up, but it is upcycling. Leela, should we start the questions?
Not right now. So today's format is the first 20 minutes. Vinita will be sharing about her journey and her passion. And after that, Avani will be asking few questions. So in the meantime, if others have questions, you can note down in your book or whatever you have. And then it is open for audience for asking questions. In the last, we will be having the small activity vote. Okay. And Vinita wants to leave by 3:55. She has another session at 4 o'clock. So that is today's format. Okay, do you all have newspaper or some sheets with you? If you don't have, you can quickly keep some newspaper or colors or something for the activity. In the meantime, yes, Vinita, you can start now. Over to you.
Okay. Yeah. First, I will show some things what I have made so far. Okay. Yeah, that's the reason I told you have to switch on the things. First, I will show what are the things I used. Even you can say what I used for. Okay. Can you see?
Yeah, we can.
Did you use socks for the ears? Did you use socks for the ears?
No. It's all cloth again. It's all upcycled only. It's all my kurtas.
Aditi, can you spotlight Vinita?
Yeah.
Aditi?
Sure. Yeah.
Not visible.
Yeah. And Leela, I think we'll take questions later.
Later. Yes, Krishna. We'll take questions later. Later. Yes, Vinita.
Oh. Yeah.
I think your bandwidth is low. That is what it is sharing. Your voice is little breaking.
Is it?
Yeah, now it's better.
But the video is breaking for
Okay.
me.
The
Okay.
video is frozen. Yeah.
Wow.
That's good.
Okay, these are the cloth thing I upcycled, and I used to make things like pouches. Okay, not only art, everyday use, like, shoe for my baby, and pouches like, pencil. You can keep a pencil in it. Okay. Lot of things like, this like a boxes. I used cloth around it. This all I used cloth basically. It's all upcycled from the, this all, jeans, pant, kurtas, pants, again socks, blouses, this all things. So now I will show some other things which I made out of, whatever we every day at homes you can see, egg curtains, and fruit holders. Okay. See, you usually see this, no? So what things we can make out of the fruit holders? I used to do lot of cardboard things also. That one also I'm going to show now. See, we don't need to use every time paper, right? We can use the cardboard also to paint. Even we used to do a lot of, using flowers, and this all my daughter's work. I'm just sharing. Yeah. Even we make rolls like this and make these things. It's not only about the making art, it's like every day what we use at home also we used to create this upcycling things. Yeah. Now I will show some of the things which we used to leave.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice creation, Auntie.
Thank you. So you guys now get an idea what is the upcycling? Yeah?
Yeah.
I thought upcycling mean we have to do in cycling.
That's what we started with, right? I will show small tiny things, Can you see this one? It's a earring.
Yeah.
Made out of small cloth. Yeah?
How did you make that last earring? This earring?
Which one? This one? I
Yeah.
stitched.
Oh, okay.
It's a cloth. Yeah. Now I will show one. What is this? Can anybody identify this one?
That's a seed.
Seed.
I think seed.
It's
Seeds
ragi.
on a leaf.
Yeah, ragi.
Seeds on.
Yeah. Can you identify this now?
Yeah, coconut shell.
Coconut shell.
Yes.
What is that?
It's a bird.
Oh.
Oh, right.
Pizza. Pizza shell.
Use it as a statue or something?
Like this coconut shell. I used to use coconut shell a lot. Like, I make bowls. I use this in the kitchen also. The same way I used in my art practice also. Sometimes I even plant. Yeah. Now I will show some of the dies which I made. These all books I made. I dyed, I made ink.
How did you make the book?
I dyed a
Some cloth.
Yeah, it's a cloth book.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's a drawing book?
It's not really drawing book. It has some information also in it.
Oh.
Yeah.
How have you written? Is it stitching? Written or stitching? What is that?
It's written only. It's a ink.
Ink. Okay.
Yeah. See, here also I used a cloth. This also again one more book.
Wow, I like this book.
You written, you have write it in the cloth or?
Yeah, sure.
I stick a paper on the cloth. This is for a baby, so little, harder. That's why. Yeah?
Auntie, is it a storybook which you saw last time?
This is not a story. It's little, information about family. This is about the vegetables. This is I made for almost 1.5-year-old child. Okay. So I showed almost everything what I used to practice. Now I will tell when I started this upcycling things and all. When I was very I born in a village. When I was 10, before 10th only, I changed almost 6-7 schools. I really don't like to go to school. I want to do something with my hand. So I finished 10th, I realized that, and then I went to theater school. Okay. Over there also I feel it's not for me. I have to do something with my hand. Again, I joined art college. But when we join art college, the things are very expensive, like brushes, paints, those things. So I realized I can do something with whatever available at home. So I started practicing that. So far, I'm like using these things, whatever you saw this, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
No. Yeah, first when I started with cloth. But can you guess how I collect the cloth from where from? Yeah.
You made with your waste clothes?
Sorry.
Where you collect from all the clothes for
Yes.
making?
Yeah.
I think your waste clothes is there. No, you took that and you make that, I think.
Yeah, but I made a huge painting. Now I cannot show that. It's really huge, almost 20 feet by 20 feet. It's not a small like this.
Can you just go back and then show it from a far distance, a little far distance? So
Sorry, I couldn't hear you properly.
Little far from camera, if you show, it is clearly visible. That's what they're sharing.
Okay.
It is very close to camera. Can you just take little away? Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I used to go to tailor and I tell them I am using those cloths. So they used to keep those, whatever waste left over the pieces. I collected from the tailor. I started that when I start my upcycling. Usually monthly I met 4 to 6 tailors near the city, near the college. So they happy to give. Anyway, it's waste for them. I used those and started creating my works. Okay, then slowly I started teaching in school called Puna Learning Center. Over there also I used to tell parents and whatever waste you have at home, whatever you throw, you feel, except for plastic, you can send it to the school. So we started using those. So that is the reason we started this, fruit holders and all. We started making like art pieces, even the cardboards. What else? Even the cup like this, whatever you use for a coffee or tea, like when you just throw after drinking this juice cup or coffee cup and all. We used to clean and using those and making puppets, like you can hold it and play also with them.
Vanita auntie, my mother made this one.
Oh, very nice.
Abhi, can we show
cardboard.
that later? Can we show it later? Yeah, let auntie continue, then we can. Yeah.
So yeah, that is the story, like how we started and how now, like, you know, now I have a lot of people like sending box, even, you know, the visiting cards or invitation cards, those things also now come to my house. All boxes, clothes, lot of things. Yeah.
Yeah. That's
And as I told you earlier also, we used to make lot of things for everyday uses, like files like this, using, you know, this, usually that kumkum, they will give these blouse pieces, right? Plain blouse pieces and all. We used to that and make this kind of a files for our paintings or books or, you know, these things. And recently, I wanted to really share this. You know, we started online classes and all. So, but you know, when it's a lockdown time, people cannot go out and get the material. We started newspaper painting. Can you see this?
Yeah.
On the newspaper, we started. Even drawing, painting, and okay.
Awesome.
So we started doing like collages also using newspaper. Yeah. So it's like upcycling is not happen suddenly. It's like everyday practices, whatever challenges I am facing, suddenly, you know, I started thinking of it, what we can use instead of using paper or instead of using paint. So we are doing a lot of homemade painting, like, you know, turmeric painting and coffee decoction painting. Even the this one is mud, clay we making liquid and we use as a paint. Yeah, this one you can see. This I already show. I forgot to show this. Lot of questions are coming. I am not able to, I think, answer right now. Maybe I will do it later. Is it
I'll take care of the chat window, Vanita.
okay? Okay.
Yeah. Finally, we'll ask. Yeah.
Yeah. So now I think you can start with your thing. I shared hopefully everything what I want to. Avani, right? She is going to ask a question.
Yes. Yeah. Avani, do you want to start asking questions? Now it's Avani's turn.
Yes.
Avani, you're mute. Somebody is telling good idea art from environmental waste. Yeah. Yes, Avani.
Why did you choose only upcycling, not different things?
What you mean different thing?
Like, why did you not do engineering or like that?
Oh, why
Only
I
upcycling.
Yeah, as I told you earlier also, for me, when I was very small, like school only boring for me. I don't want to study. I decided when I finished my 10th. But later on, I realized that, you know, study also important to get to know things and all. But when I was small, I'm not very happy with reading and writing. I wanted to do with something, you know, using my hand. I'm very happy with it. So I chose art.
And what inspired you to choose upcycling?
Upcycling I choose because of the money reason only. Again, I am not very, afford to buy expensive art materials, but I really wanted to also complete my course. So I decided that what I can do without using much money. Whatever things available around us, I can use that and create art piece and express my, express my things, like my feelings.
Okay.
Yeah, is it clear?
Yeah. What skills does upcycling need?
Sorry.
What skills does upcycling need?
Physically, no skills you need. You can start with, using material. By practicing, it will come. It's only you have to think and, do it.
Why you don't like to buy different art materials and do art?
I buy, but better, whatever around us. Otherwise, we will simply do that, no? We will make waste. I'm not saying when I need things, I will buy thread. Whatever minimum, I will buy. But I now happy to use whatever.
I think your voice is breaking, Vanita. Your voice is breaking.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's better.
What shall I do? Yeah. Might be it's a network problem.
Yeah, it is showing your net bandwidth is low. You want to switch off your video for a few minutes and then you can just keep talking. You can try.
Yeah, I tried. Yeah. Yeah, continue, Aman.
Yes, Avani.
What is the difference between upcycling and recycling?
What?
What is the difference between upcycling and recycling?
Recycling, it's upcycling, very not much difference, but recycling, what will happen, you will do the same thing. So using paper, you're making a paper, but upcycling, use
One
cloth
minute,
and we
Vanita.
will make lot of other
Vinita, can you just repeat the last sentence? It was breaking.
Okay, the recycling is we are using same thing. Suppose, for example, we are using paper and we are going to create a paper. But upcycling is we are using paper and we will make something else, not the same thing. Is it clear?
What is your belief about buying new art materials and doing with already existing materials?
I believe that everybody should do art. I feel now, like after teaching the children, especially children should do every art. I believe that, and for everyone, it's not possible to buy things, right? So whatever available, we can use that and create things. It's not that much difficult, also. And why unnecessarily, we are buying things and doing whatever available, still we can do those things, right? Yeah.
You sell those and then get money? Or you do something else?
1 minute, Krishna. We will first let Avani ask her questions. Then we will open for audience question, okay?
It was not me, it was Mukunda.
Oh, sorry, Mukunda. Yeah, sorry, Krishna. Yeah. Wait, Mukunda, we will open the audience round. That time you can ask. Okay? You can keep your questions in your fingertips. Yeah. Yes, Avani.
Yeah, what are your thoughts about the value of art made out of new materials versus art made by reused materials?
Sorry, I am not able to hear you properly. Can you repeat?
What are your thoughts about the value of art made out of new materials versus art made by reused materials?
Value? Obviously, it's reuse material. I am practicing that.
What?
I am practicing that reusing material. So obviously, I believe that, and I am value more on that.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you rate your any art as good or bad?
Art for me, art is no question in it. No good or bad. Art is art for me. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do
Not
you
only
get?
mine.
Huh?
Not only mine, whoever doing art, it's not about good or bad. It's their practice and what they believe.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do you get ideas for making your art?
Ideas by practicing.
Like, how do you
I
get?
always think on that, and I always practice on that.
No, how do you get ideas? I'm asking for making new art. Like, what? How do you get ideas for making a new art? Like that.
Sorry, I am not able to understand the question. Can you repeat?
How do you get ideas for
Hmm.
making a new art?
For making a new art.
She means to say that whether by imagination or you see some things and then, or is it by need?
Yeah,
So like
by
that. she's
videos or
No. I watch different people's. I'm following different people whoever practicing everyday based art, but I never copy anything. I will inspire from other people, but always I do my imagination. Yeah.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
What were the struggles or motivation in your journey?
Struggling is to keep artwork is only the struggling for me because every day we used to make lot of things. Yeah.
Motivation in your journey?
Motivation is now right now I like lot of people calling and telling, oh, I have this, I think it's used for you, shall I drop it on your house. That is the motivation. Lot of material come to house, so that is the motivation.
Do you have any other interest apart from art?
I read, I likes to listen music, sometimes I sing. Yeah.
Okay. How did your passion change your life?
For a lifestyle.
Yeah.
Yeah. When I started, when I joined art college, I never think like this way. I am become like it's become part of my life. Now it's my passion is become part of my life. every day, whatever, we used to, when we cooks also, I'm thinking like, this onion fields I can use for a dye, onion dye, like that way. Whatever material I'm touching everyday life, I'm think of art now. It's becoming my life.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What is the one message that you want to share about upcycling?
So I want to share, you don't think, I don't have that, I don't have this, that is the reason I'm not able to do art, or that is the reason I'm not able to do, anything. Don't think about like that. Whatever you have, you can, think little bit more. What you think now, you can do whatever you want. You can find a way yourself. Yeah.
And your journey of inspiration or seed of passion and its growth till date.
Sorry.
Your journey of inspiration or seed of passion and its growth till date.
How did your journey start, and until now, how is it going on? Like the life cycle, you can share your journey of passion. That's what she meant.
Oh, okay. Actually, it start with the cloth when I started upcycling, but now, as I told you, I'm using everything possibly, whatever available. Whatever I used in everyday life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like you also had mentioned in your write-up that it started with your whatever available around you, and then it reflected your lifestyle, like culture and values and all that.
Yes. Yeah.
Would you like to share a
Yeah.
little about it?
Because when I was small, I exposed it only Rangoli. You know, guys, Rangoli, right?
Yeah.
So, but when we entered the art college, we used to do this poster color, watercolor, acrylic, oil pastels, oil color pencils, those things, right? Now, after passing those all things, I started this upcycling, and I'm using coconut shell to leaf, to cloth, and like curtains, cardboards, even, old brushes, everything now. And whoever almost touch with me, like parents or a friends or family, now everybody knows that we are doing this. So it's a lot of people also started keeping things for us for a studio running stage. So yeah.
Yeah. Would you like to share a little about your puppets, what you make, how your the story behind making your puppets, and how you use it?
Which puppet you're talking about?
You've shared, like you make stories for sharing using the puppet for
Yes,
your
yes,
child.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I will tell. Now I will switch on the video.
Yeah.
Because,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, this one, it's one Kannada song is there. So my mother used to tell when we are small, this puppet I made for that song. So she used to and she sing that song. So small, rhymes. These things also now we started making puppets. Okay, these things and others like 1 second. Let me show the elephant. It's not elephant. So I had an elephant over here. It's not there, but still, yeah. So suppose, we are using these kind of props like Gubbachi house, like a bird house. Okay, and sometimes I make this, and my daughter is too small. She started creating a story using these things. That way, we used to, use these things. Even this kind of a thing. Yeah. Even these thing we made using those only, stories only. We are using like this and play sometimes. Different characters we play. Yeah. Even whatever scene over here, this one also we made about one Mangatte story. It's a Hornbill story. Yeah. It's a Hornbill story.
Okay, yeah. Now I think we'll open for audience. So anyone has any questions to connect with
Yeah.
Vanita, you
Yeah,
can ask.
Me, Mukunda.
Yes, Mukunda.
Okay. How did you get money? When if you didn't go to the job, then how did you get money?
I used to teach art.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I have a studio.
Did you ever sell your products
Yeah.
for money?
Yeah. Sometimes.
So how do you rate them? How much money is this? How much money is that? How do you rate them?
I used to think how much time I spend on that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Me, Krishang.
Yeah, tell me.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
No.
Okay.
Avani, you want to check if anybody has any questions?
Vinita auntie,
Saraswati
Yes.
auntie, do you
where
have
you
any
learned
questions?
this upcycling?
I learn from myself. I
Oh.
practice. Yeah.
It's very good
But
job.
I went art college, but art colleges are not teaching upcycling. Yeah.
I have like another question.
Okay.
Why did you change your mind? Like, I want to do things with hand. What came in your mind like that? How it came like? There has to be something, no? Like, so why you want
I
to
will
do
tell.
things with your hand?
When I was small, we have 4 of us. I have 3 sisters. They are all, very good in study. They will get out of 100 like that. But I am very bad in study. I am not able to do anything. But always I feel like, I am not good in study. I want to do something. So usually at home, I used to do rangoli nicely. So everybody got appreciate. I got appreciate from everyone. So I decided in that moment might be, now I am not really think about, that so far, but yeah, that is the reason I hope I choose this, I guess. Yeah.
So it just came in your mind.
Yeah.
It's good job, Vanita auntie.
Thank you. You can even check my earring and my necklace. It's also used, it's all seeds.
Wow.
Where do you get these materials? The waste materials only, but where do you get it from? Garbage?
No, this all seeds from my street.
Huh?
My road where I live.
From where do you get?
From the tree. It's all seeds.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Seeds.
Yeah.
Any more questions? Avani, are you there? Yeah. So Reena was telling everything what you showed was very creative, and she again asks like, how did you get so many ideas? That's the question.
That's the question.
Sorry, Leela,
How do you
I
get
was-
so many ideas?
Mm.
Sorry, Leela, I was my mic
Okay.
thing was came out. Not able to.
Before your passion, what did you do? Like before this art passion, before this art passion, what passion did you have? A goal.
I used to act in a drama. I did drama course too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anita, can you show one puppet with the song that you have created?
Puppet with the song. Okay.
Sing and maybe show the puppet also.
Yeah. This one, shall I show?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it made of? Cloth only.
This is the pocket, my pant pocket. Can you see over here? It's a pocket.
Yeah.
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 And these two birds, this is the song I learned from my childhood. Now I'm teaching this song to Musuragi, like my daughter. Yeah.
Would you like to sing a few lines, 1 or 2 lines?
Okay. It's Kannada song.
Yeah, no problem.
It's okay.
Okay. Yeah. ಆಮೆಯೊಂದು ಕೆರೆಯ ದಡದಿ ಮನೆಯ ಮಾಡಿತು, ಹಕ್ಕಿಯಂತೆ ಹಾರಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಬಯಸಿತು. ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಂಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಸೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿತು. ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ ಆಮೆ ಕೇಳಲೊಪ್ಪಿತು. ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಎರಡು ಅತ್ತ ಇತ್ತ ಬಡಿಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದವು. ಆಮೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜೋತು ಬೀಳೆ ಹಾರಿ ಹೋಯಿತು. ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಜನರು ನಕ್ಕರು. ಮಾನ ಹೋಯಿತೆಂದು ಆಮೆ ಮನದಿ ಕುದಿಯಿತು. ನಕ್ಕ ಜನರ ಬೈಯಲೆಂದು ಬಾಯಿ ತೆರೆಯಿತು. ಮೇಲಿನಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಯಿತು.
Awesome. It's the crocodile story. It's the crocodile story which falls down from up.
Yeah.
Can anyone please briefly explain in English?
Yeah, it is the crocodile story where the crocodile wants to fly like a bird, and birds will get a twig, and the crocodile will hold the twig in its mouth, and they will try to fly. And crocodile will open the mouth in between, and it falls down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, it's 3:47. Anyone last question, or we can move on to the activity? We'll take up one last question.
Yeah, wait. From where did you get this song? Did you create it or? Like,
No.
Yeah, I know this story.
Sorry.
I know this story.
He's asking, do you make songs also? Do you make songs for your puppets?
Sometimes I make, but this is not I made. It's already there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's our textbook poem actually. In Iowa studies, I learned this. Yeah.
Vanita aunty, I'm going to start doing newspaper drawing.
Yeah.
Yes,
You want to
yes.
start with? Avani, you want to ask Vanita aunty to start with activity? Avani,
What, Leela?
start with activity.
Yeah, we can start with the activity, I think.
Yeah, you can take a newspaper and draw on the newspaper, but better to use gel pens on the newspaper. Using pencil, it's not actually you cannot see. Or you can paint with the mud, clay. You can mix with the water, clay, and you can use those.
Actually,
Crayons will work.
I've already done my activity just now, like 5 minutes. Is this?
Yeah, yeah.
We can use crayons to draw.
Yeah, you can use the crayons to draw on the
Okay.
newspaper. Yeah.
What we should draw?
You can draw anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Auntie, are you also doing the activity with us?
Sorry.
Are you also doing the activity with us?
I can. Yeah, why not? I can also do activity. I will use the clay, okay? I will see how it's come. Suppose you are doing a paint, I will tell 2-3 techniques. You cannot mix the paint too watery when you're doing with the newspaper. Not even thick. You need to mix paint very medium. Okay? But crayons and gel pen and all you can use however you want, no problem. But when you're using a painting, you need to little careful because paper thickness is really thin, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
Vanita auntie,
See, I have tried with the clay.
Vanita auntie,
Yes.
now what should I use the newspaper for?
Painting, drawing, sketching. Or you can cut and paste also like this.
For the newspaper, why do you why do I need the newspaper?
It's upcycling again. We're using a newspaper instead of using cut paper or any other paper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Newspaper easily available, right?
Yeah, but I'm not understanding what should I do with the newspaper.
You can sketch on the newspaper, you can paint on the newspaper, you can make a collage on the newspaper, or you can make a roll with the newspaper and you can create like this. You know, like this pen stand. This all newspaper. Can you see my pen stand?
No, it is not visible.
Your video is frozen.
Not visible?
Yeah, now it is visible.
Yeah. We can make a lot of things with the newspaper. Yeah.
And
even you can make small booties like this. This all again newspaper only. Yeah. Leela,
Yes.
can I have those questions? Like how, I don't know how I can get back those questions. Whoever asked.
Yeah, we have it. She had prepared the questions. She can send it. We can send it to you.
Okay. Not only that, in a chart, how can I get those? I don't know.
Maybe we can copy paste it. You want it now? I'll send it to you. I'll send it to you.
Okay.
Okay. So it's Avani.
Huh?
It's 3:54. Auntie has another session.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Shall we wind up?
Yeah, we can wind up.
Just a second, let me show my sign and end up.
Shall we wind up?
Yeah,
yeah, you
My
want.
drawing is like this.
Okay, Krishna has done. They're showing their drawings.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Auntie, see my bird drawing.
Oh.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, shall. So, shall we all end with one one thought about upcycling? What are you thinking about upcycling? Vanita has already shared her part about upcycling. So, what is the thought you are getting in your mind? Sorry?
For me, upcycling is just using our home materials and making something useful to the
Very nice.
yeah. That is upcycling.
Yeah. More
I
thoughts?
got some idea. I'm going to make with my papa in gardening work. I'm going to collect some leaf and I'm going to make like that. What that kit?
Vimal, we are sharing thought. What are you thinking about upcycling? One thought
One thought.
about.
One thought mean we don't need to buy materials. We can do in home itself what we have in home. That is my thought.
Very nice.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm coming.
No, so the thing is, even I also use lot of those. So our dining room is also filled up with waste. So whenever my mom does, she puts something to dustbin. If she gives a packet and put it to dustbin, I would go take out the dustbin and put my hand in and take out all the waste. And I always used to store, and I also used to do toys, and now one whole room is filled up with waste.
Okay.
Nice. So if auntie comes to my house, she will be like, "Oh, you have this. You have that. You have that," and she would.
Adha, your voice is low.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then I need to scream in real.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
For me, I never knew like
Can I have mic closer?
Yeah, we can use it for stories, upcycle stuff. We can use it on stories, songs. That was a very interesting thought, which you inspired us doing so many things using the materials.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any more thoughts before we end? Last one thought. It's 3:58. Yeah.
I think upcycling is like using the things around you which is not useful on any other things, and then trying to do something in whatever comes in your mind with it, trying to do something with it. Like
Very nice.
I just have one thing to say. I have seen Vanita's work, okay, personally, and I'm always amazed at her ideas. I always think, how did she do it? She'll do it with anything you give her. She will you give her soap box also. She'll turn into something beautiful and give you. So she has creativity in her. It's like a inborn
No,
talent.
Reena. Everybody can do that. By practicing, everybody will get.
Yeah.
It's only, you need to give time and,
Yeah, she has a lot of patience. So I think that is very important.
Yeah.
It is 3:59. I think we can close it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you
Bye.
so
Nice
much,
to
Reena,
meet
for
Bye,
joining
Vanita
us.
aunty. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye,
Nice
Vanita
to meet
auntie.
you
Thank you
all.
for teaching us.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Thank you for
Bye.
teaching us.